In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a free trial of 1Password. If you're looking to test out a robust password manager without committing right away, this guide will walk you through the simple process of setting up a trial account. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the official 1Password website. You can easily do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering 1password.com into the address bar. Once the site loads, look for the option that says Get Started Free. This is typically prominently displayed on their homepage as they encourage new users to give their service a trial run. Clicking on Get Started Free will redirect you to a page that offers different plan options. Here, you're presented with a few choices such as Individual, Families, Team Starter Pack, and Business. Each of these options is tailored for different types of users. Whether you're an individual user, a family, or a business, there's a package that might be just right for you. But for the sake of this tutorial, let's opt for the individual plan. To do this, simply click on the individual option to proceed with your trial. The next step is creating your account. You'll be prompted to input your name and email address. Make sure to use a valid email that you have access to, as you'll need it for verification purposes in the following steps. Once you've filled in these details, click on Next. At this point, head over to your email inbox. Open your email client and look for an email from 1Password. Inside, you'll find a verification code. Take note of this code as you'll need it to verify your account. Return to the 1Password sign-up page and enter the verification code into the appropriate field. With that done, click Next. You'll see an option to set up a secure password for your new 1Password account. Choose something strong and memorable. Once you've entered your password, click on Create Account. One critical step is generating your secret key. 1Password will offer to generate this key for you. Make sure you save it securely, as this key is essential for accessing your account in the future. With your secret key saved, click Next. You'll encounter an option to add a payment method. Since we're setting up a free trial at the moment, you can skip this part. There's no need to enter any payment information now unless you decide to continue with a paid plan later. Lastly, you might be given the choice to start a practice tutorial. This can be helpful if you're new to 1Password and want an introduction to its features. For now, you can choose to skip the tutorial if you wish, as we're focusing on just setting up the trial account. Now you're ready to dive into using 1Password's web app. To access it, find the Open Web App link and click, then proceed to sign in using your newly registered credentials. Congratulations, you have successfully signed up for the 1Password free trial. Now you can start exploring and managing your passwords securely.